Guys, we're here. Get out of the car. Oh, yeah, I'm up. What are you doing on the ground? I'm sensing fireworks starting. Look up in the air. You see any? No. Now let me go back to sleep. Whatever, I'm gonna go wake up Colby. Colby, wake up! Hey guys. I guess ready? What are your 4th of July revolutions? I'm hoping for more cheese. I'm hoping my next show will go perfect. Oh, yeah. Be quiet. You be quiet. When will my girlfriend be here? I'm sad because my girlfriend ain't here. I don't know. Why so obsessed with your girlfriend anyway? It's not like she revolves around your life or anything. Be quiet. My girlfriend is amazing, and you know that. Hey y'all. Hey Zia. Hey Zoe. Have you seen Alice anywhere? No, we haven't, but she's coming soon. Oh, okay.
Somewhere and go camping.
Hi everyone. Here. Where is he? He said he would catch up. Well, you know that he's tired and he is a kid. Hey everyone. Hi Mom.
Get on
Hi,
top.
hon.
Jonette on the bottom. He sticks out.
Did I miss something?
No, you didn't.
Well, that's good. Hi, baby. Hey, everybody. My neck has been bleeding a lot.
You should go see a doctor. We've been telling you.
Yeah, but I don't want him too cool for a doctor, you know? Baby? Hey, I'm her boyfriend. Well, I know that, Patrick, but I'm just saying. Because, like, her eyes make her look like a baby, you know? You know, just baby. You're weird.
Hey guys, I just took my airplane to go here and see you guys. Get your butt on my face. Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Well, maybe look next time, else we can have some problems, and I'll see you in court.
Dude, it's just a little bump.
No, I'm not saying that.
Did somebody say Carol? Ow.
Hey, babe.
Hi, Brandon. Oh my dog, she fell on the ground from thousands of feet. It wasn't that much, but okay, Molly. Well, I know.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm here too.
Hi, Sheldon.
Hi, Patrick. I'm hungry. Do you have any sushis?
That's a drink.
I really go to the place right now, you know? You know what I'm saying, everybody? Yeah. Still no fireworks, guys.
So they'll wait till he's a little bit
What are you staring at, dude? Oh, anything. Well, don't worry. Everybody will. Everyone will be here soon. Yo, everybody in the house. Let's party. Yo, yo, yo.
Ooh, party. Party. Woo. Oh, my dog, you have great dance moves. Thanks, I know. Hey, everyone, I'm finally here. Breathe in. I brought food for us. Hi, baby. Oh, I'm sorry, Kara. I didn't mean to. Yeah, it's fine. I'm just being pushed today. Hi, babe. Hi, Brayden. Well, this is really good that you got. Thanks. Here, we can share it while we look at the beautiful fireworks. Where are the fireworks? This is supposed to be a fireworks show at the campsite. I don't know. It's just a bit.
Yeah, dude, where are the fireworks? We can hear them, but we can't see them. Whoa, look at that. It's a helicopter. Look, guys. Oh, we're playing. I don't really know. Man, everybody can see me from up here. This is great. Wow.
Hey everyone!
Fairy.
I just want to let you know the fireworks will show up anytime soon. We're trying to set it, but we can't really. But yeah. Just so you guys know.
Well, hurry up with that.
I know, I am terribly sorry, sir. We'll get on that.
Yay! Oh, hi. I'm here, by the way. Oh, like Lemmy. Hi, Carlos. Are you excited for the fireworks? Yo, you better am. Okay. Let's watch them.
Wow.
I know I am.
Warning you.
They don't last long. Here are some so I can see, baby.
Oh my dog, look at that. It's like a fire rainbow.
My mommy said that fireworks come from watermelons. Happy New Year's, everybody.